Alright YouTubers, here we have this 36-inch SMC under the labeling of jab, which I don't know what it means, so I'm not going to try. There's the SMC label. I already have one of these, but this one's a new unboxed one, and it's unusual because of the gold trim instead of silver. So I figured why not. The price is right. Also came with the control and the hook. There's the box. Kind of seen better days, it looks like. There's that foam. So yeah, I got this off of eBay. Let's go ahead and put it on low speed. Very nice low speed on these fans. I noticed this one doesn't have the ribs on the bottom of the motor either. I believe the 36-inch has the ribs on it. That might just be an SMC thing, but yeah. This one's definitely unique, and as you can see, if you have a nut in the bottom, it can be, you can add a light kit to it if you wish. I, of course, do not. So that's low speed, drawing 0.27. Go ahead and go more for like a medium-ish speed. Right around there. Already moving good air. We're at 0.50. Very nice little fan. Let's go ahead and go to high. Oh yeah. Probably one of my favorite 36 industrials. These things haul and move a ton. Current draw is 0.72. You can tell it's quite a forceful breeze underneath this fan. This nut. Up. Very nice fan. Good addition to my collection. Very happy to have it. Man, this is a powerhouse. A little bit of a wobble to it. Nothing major though. I'm not gonna worry about it. Probably can't even see it on camera. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and do spin down. So this is the last, no, I got one more fan, well, technically I got two more fans I have to test tonight, sheesh. Now I'm going to start working on a project for Jack. Well, actually I'll probably do that next, because I want to get this out of the way. Jack wanted 2 wet originals for sail cloth blades he's gotten, so I definitely have the motors right now, so I'm going to see if I can get 2 of these working in decent shape, and yeah, go from there. And these have a stamped steel motor and they're not cast, but they're extremely powerful fans. And these are actually known to survive for quite a good amount of time. They don't draw much current, so that's probably why, so they don't get too hot. Well, we actually might stop pretty soon. It's got new bearings. Oh yeah, a bit of a rough start. Since it stopped so soon, we're going to actually go ahead and do a 0 to high on this one. Very cool. Either way guys, thanks for watching.